What's up, my people? My name is Victor Isibor, still in the business of exposing scams and showing people the legitimate ways to make money. The projects that I push are non-custodial projects. Non-custodial projects means that you do not give your capital to anybody. Your capital remains in your pocket and it grows in your pocket. Okay? Now, we've been talking a lot about non-custodial projects, especially Tabot. You don't give your trade capital out. It remains in your exchange of choice, and API is connected and the money keeps growing in your pocket. Now, I understand that there's a lot of challenge with a lot of people who cannot really afford to buy a license to activate this particular bot to trade for them. And I've decided to do a giveaway. Okay? I'm doing $800 giveaway, unlimited $800 giveaway for about 50 people. All right? So the first 50 persons that message me to get started will get support to get started up to $800. Okay? First 50 people. Okay? So if you're watching this video and you've been thinking of getting on board Tabot since, this is your opportunity. Now, these are the 3 license levels in Tabot, okay, that you can see on the screen. You have the starter, you have the advanced, you have the pro. The starter is $150, the advanced is $750, the pro is $1,500. Now, the pro, you have unlimited capital. You can trade unlimited capital. You can connect to unlimited exchange APIs. There are no restrictions in the pro. Now, for the advanced, you will see that the highest capital you can trade with the advanced license is $25,000, and you can connect 5 different exchange APIs at the same time. And you see that with the starter, the maximum capital you can trade is $3,000, and you can connect to 3 maximum exchanges. All right. So this is the giveaway. The first 50 people that messages me that they want to start with Tabot immediately, if they choose to go for the starter package, which is $150, I will pay $50 for them while they pay the rest $100. Yes, I'm giving away $50 and you will pay the rest. Now, if you decide to go for the $750 package, I will pay $250 for you while you pay $500. Okay? I'll pay $250 for you. You pay the rest $500. And if you decide to go for the pro license, the highest package, I will pay $500 for you while you pay the rest $1,000. Okay? So across all the license levels, I am paying $50 for those that are going for starter. I'm paying $250 for those that are going for advanced, and I'm paying $500 for those that are going for pro. If you sum it all up, it amounts to $800 that I'm willing to give out. Okay, first 50 people that messages me via the WhatsApp link in the description is eligible for this discount. This discount that I'm going to discount for you is at about 33.3%. Okay, that I'm going to be paying for you based on your package of choice. All right. Now, no matter what business you are doing or pushing, if it is not crypto related, then you're wrong. Why? We are in 2024, baby. 2024. This is not the year for MLM, balance leg, and all that. This is the crypto year, because you know this is the year where we are having the Bitcoin halving. The Bitcoin halving. Now go back to the last bull run. You will see a lot of people became multi-millionaire in dollars. People slept broke and woke up filthy rich. Don't take my word for it. Go and look at the last bull run. Right now, it's an opportunity again for another set of crypto millionaires to be made. Don't take my word for it. Fact check me. Now, your business has to be related with crypto. Somehow, some way. It has to be connected with crypto, because that's your chance at having a financial breakthrough. Okay? Now, when you message me to get started here, I am going to subsidize the startup amount for you. And also, I'm going to give you a link to an exchange where you buy cryptos for very cheap. You buy them very cheap at very low fees. Okay, buy them at very low fees, store them in there. Even if you're not trading them, those coins will do 10x, 100x, even 1000x in the next few months when the Bitcoin halving is going to start. Okay, a word is enough for the wise. This year 2024 is an opportunity for you to change the story of yourself and that of your entire family, because crypto is crazy money, guys. Crazy money. A lot of people are going to buy Ferraris. A lot of people are going to buy duplexes, mansions, Rolexes. A lot of people's financial stories are going to change. Okay? So this is the year of the Bitcoin halving. Your business should be crypto related. Thank you for watching this video. I'll stay in my DM waiting for the first 50 people to reach out. Thank you for watching this video. I remain Victor Isibor. I'm out.